Hi now! I gotta throw that one out there from time to time because, well, fuck, everybody else does. I don't know. It's kind of fucking cold in the garage though. Look at that. Only took me 3 bumps to get her in the hole. If you guys are new to the channel and you like what you see, hit that subscribe button, ring my bell, get my notifications. Throw me a thumbs up and leave a question or comment below so that way I know who you are. Man, come down here, do this. Supposed to hold it for 5 fucking seconds. That's what she said. I'm gonna go back outside, let the shop warm up a little bit. Drink my beer and conversate with my fellow YouTubers and my very great patrons of my channel that may not have other channels themselves, but do me the kind courtesy of watching. You guys are awesome, by the way. Appreciate you. Fuck, it's cold in here. I'm gonna go outside. I'm kind of a puss. God. Guy drinks a couple of beers and sits out in the sunshine, and you go in there. Plus, it looks like work. Fuck, we ain't gonna do work. Nobody wants to do work. So, what are we going to do tonight? Well, we're going to put the starter back in the damn truck. We're going to put some brakes in it. We're going to change the oil on it and get the hell out of the shop. Oh! That's a good way to start the video. Get her done! I want to, well, I'll address a couple issues right now. Due to the cold weather, my pasture is in shortage, and I'm not going to put them on that north end yet because, well, that son of a bitch fell on its face with the cold weather too. 20s for lows, 40s for highs, didn't do anybody any favors. So, I'll be first and foremost to say that I don't like to feed my cattle grain. I'm a grass-fed, grass-finished operation most of the time. We've been supplementing them with grain the last couple of days, 2-3 days now. But, tell you what, I can buy grain cheaper than I can buy hay. Figure that out. Based on a cow per cow basis and their calorie and protein intake, I can buy grain cheaper right now, so it doesn't take me long to do the math. If that's going to affect some of my customers this fall, well, so be it. I'll tell you right now, what I feed them here for the next couple of weeks or a month isn't going to affect what your beef tastes like in 6. So, that's just me being straightforward and honest with everybody because I know that a lot of the people that buy beef from me watch my channel. So, hey, doesn't work for you, TTFN. I'm sure at some point we can start a calf from grass and raise it to full maturity without grain, but right now, that's just not the case. I looked around for hay. I looked around for grain. Guess what? Grain was cheaper. And right now, I'd like to put some freaking cash in my pocket for once. Because I'll be straightforward. I'll be completely honest with you. Everything I got's been going back into the farm, back into the farm, back into the farm. Everything from my job, everything from Katie's job, back into the farm, back into the farm, back into the farm. And you know what? It fucking hurts, man. It hurts. Yeah, it's better than going and getting financed because I don't have to pay an interest rate and I don't get to pay it for 30 fucking years. But every week, it hurts. It hurts. So, sucks to be me, right? Well, whatever. I'm not bitching, I'm not complaining because I know in the long run I'm going to be better off than a whole lot of people that are signed up for government programs and financing and all that other garbage, but And if you have to, I completely understand. While it warms up in there, God, it's got to be 20 degrees colder in the shop than it is out here. Well, that's good. Wait until the air conditioning's working in there. It better be 20 degrees colder in there than it is in the outside. Oh, we're going to have AC. We're going to have AC this summer. I can't complain too much. Look at this freaking place. Look at this place. This is just... Look at that. Come on. Look at that mountain of shit. It's alright though. There's another one there, another one there, another one there, another one there. That's alright. Guess what? We get to turn that into fertilizer. We're going to go out there. We're going to get rid of that one. We're going to leave that one. Fuck it. We're going to get rid of that little one over there. And we're going to turn most of that into corn. Cause, well, talking to Shane Holst. Shane Holst, by the way. Shane, I appreciate you, buddy. And if you guys don't know Shane Holst, get the fuck out of here. Just get the fuck off my channel. Unsubscribe. Just get the fuck away from me. Go over to Shane Holst's channel and subscribe. He likes beer just like I do. I think he's a little bit more conservative about not drinking it on his YouTube channel. I appreciate where he's going with that. He's got a lot more self-control than I do. He talks nice, too. Fuck you guys. You don't like it. Get the hell out of here. I'm getting some pigs. Thanks, Shane. I'm a little on the fence about the pigs, but I really appreciate getting the corn seed. That's awesome. And actually getting tires for my implement trailer. If you didn't see the video where I blew out fucking tires in my implement trailer hauling hay from John Stevens, another fellow YouTuber. So, hey, John, if you're watching, buddy, I know you don't get in a lot because you're working your ass all the time. But, hey, if you watch, man, appreciate you. If you guys aren't subscribing to John Stevens, Maple Grove Farms, you damn well better be. I'm just telling you, fuckers. You ought to know by now. If you can watch my stupid babbling ass, you could probably go over there and learn something. You might get a chuckle or two here, but you're going to be a brain dead son of a bitch by the time you're done. I'm telling you right now. All right, how's everybody doing now? Sun's going down. It's getting a little bit... The sun's setting. Does everyone want to see the gorgeous sunset from the farm where you don't have any fucking neighbors and you're not annoyed by every other person on the fucking planet? Okay, let's go look at it. Just to rub it in. Oh, look at that. Suck it. That's mine every day. It doesn't fucking matter. I got Budweiser in the shop, by the way. Here we go. Well, Rick, what are you going to do tonight now that you annoyed us with your gorgeous sunset? Well, I'm going to... Oh, beer's over here. Thought I smelt it when I walked by. I'm going to put the starter back in that hunk of shit. Call it what you want. Ford, Chevy, Dodge, they all break. Toyotas are just a piece of shit. Nissan, well, I guarantee you weren't conceived properly when you, if you buy a Nissan. You probably drink fairy beer too, but whatever. I'm not going to define fairy beer because some people get offended by that. Okay, we're going to put the starter back in the 2015 F250. 6.2 liter gas. And then we'll see if she pops. Now, if you want to know how to put the starter back in, go back and watch my other video where I took the starter out and do it backwards. Just don't drink less beer. Actually, if you're going to put the starter back in, you probably need to drink more beer. Yes, fact. You need to drink more beer to put the starter back in. Okay. Okay, well, after a beer-induced starter installation, we're going to try it out. So let's see what happens. If she doesn't hit on the first click, burn it. Just burn it down. Ready? Let's in. Woo! Look at that, just loyal, just hitting it. Should try it 3 or 4 more times? Probably should, huh? Shut it off. Oh. Again. Oh. boys. We got her. All right. So now all that's left is service and brakes, but I think Katie has something to keep my fat bastard ass from starving to death. So we're having a Kettle River cheese wheel tonight, by the way. So Kettle River pizza. If you guys haven't seen those videos, I don't know what the hell you're talking about, but you haven't had Kettle River pizza yet? Get out of here. Get out of here. Should probably bring some down to Shane. We're gonna do that. Shane, buddy, bring us some pizza when we come down. Got it. Tomorrow night is Wednesday night live stream. We get to drink beer and act a fool. Or tonight, because you actually see this video tonight. So if you like what we're doing, hit that subscribe button, ring my bell, get my notifications, and hey, drink a beer, have a good time once in a while. Fuck. If you can't, well, I get it. Also, if you're interested, we have memberships, which, well, they buy the beer. I'm not going to lie, they buy the beer. I buy the beer right now. You guys buy the beer. Shit, you might see something crazy. You never know. Anyway, I got to go. Hope everyone's having a great night. We'll see you again next time.